Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop Spotify from opening on startup. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Do you not want to see Spotify every time you turn on your computer? Fortunately, you can disable this behavior so Spotify will only open when you want to. Choose only one method to disable Spotify as one method will override the others. So in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to stop Spotify open automatically when you start your computer. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your Spotify. From here, you can go to your profile. From your profile, you can select on settings. From settings, you can just scroll down. You can scroll down until you find uh, there is an option startup and window behavior. So actually by default, your Spotify will open automatically after you log it into the computer as minimized. Now, if you don't want Spotify automatically open, so you can just choose on no. So the Spotify will not automatically open when you start logging into your computer. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop Spotify opening from opening on startup Windows 11. So that is very simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.